Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to look at the paned window. So the paned or paned, I think it's paned window is basically a little cool thing that allows you to split up your actual window into different sections, and it's really great for grouping items together. Let's just get started. So if I do m1 equals paned window and specify the window that you're actually drawing to, is within that m1.pack. I'm going to put fill equals both and expand equals 1. So this changes whether or not how it manipulates its size based on the window resizing. Now I'm going to create something called left equals entry m1 BD equals 5. So bear with me with all of this. When we run it, it will all make sense. m1.add left. Now we're going to create another paned window. We're going to call it m2, and we're going to do paned window m1. So we are orienting it, and the orientation is going to be vertical. So when we have the items, it will orient it accordingly. So really cool stuff. Now we're going to do m1.add m2. Now we're going to do top equals scale. So we're going to add a scale to it. Obviously you can add whatever you want, that doesn't actually matter. We're drawing to m2. Orient is going to be horizontal. Now we'll do m2.add top, and we're just going to create a button, not bottom, button. I'm going to call it btn equals button. m2 text equals okay. m2.add btn. Now if we run it, we'll see what we get. So we get this now, and we have our scale. We got our button, which does nothing because we haven't attached a command to it, and we have our entry as well. So that's it. We've got a lot of way, and it's essentially paned windows, which is great for grouping items together. So that's it for this video. If you want to know more about paned windows and all of the advanced functionality, the link in the link attached with this video, feel free to check that out. And as usual, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.